Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this freeze frame cutout intro in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your video like this and then go to the part you want the freeze frame to happen. Okay, for example, I'm going to make it happen here. Okay, just split the clip like this, and then on the second part of your video, go to freeze, this one. So this is the freeze frame. You can adjust the length or durations to your liking, and after that just duplicate it. Okay, make one of them as overlay like this, so the two freeze frame will align like this. And on the overlay, go to remove a background and click on the auto removal. Okay, so the background is removed. Now click on stroke. Now just select the solid color stroke. You can adjust the color to your liking, but I'm going to just use the white color here. Now go back, and after that click on the freeze frame on the main track. Here go to adjust, and let's adjust the color so that it has a distinct color from the video. So lower the saturation to -40 and the brightness to negative around 20. Okay, click on the check icon, and now go back to the overlay. Add two keyframes on the overlay at the start and also the end. And after that, on the second keyframe, zoom in the character like this. Okay, and after that, here you can just go back and then add video effects to the freeze frame. Go to effect, video effect, find the texture category, this one, and add or select the dot silk screen effect. Here you can adjust the effect to your liking. Okay, after that you can just go back and make sure that the length of the video effect match with the freeze frame. So here is the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.